Welcome to SoftwareTrailers.com. Diagrams help to visualize structural and behavioral links between ideas. They can help teams visualize complex hierarchies or process flows. If you are interested in finding a platform to give a well-structured vision to complete excellent projects and manage your team's performance, you will love what we will show you next. In today's video, we will talk about Moqups, a cloud-based visual collaboration platform designed to help companies build websites and mobile apps. But before we go any further, don't forget that SoftwareTrailers.com constantly offers the latest collection of software on the web. We will leave a special link in the description below to access this and other great digital tools. Now, let's dive into Moqups. Moqups is a visual collaboration tool that helps you create visual products for various purposes, including whiteboards, design components, and diagrams. It also allows firms to plan, collaborate, improve project management, streamline operations, and track progress. Moqups can help many types of organizations working on complex projects. Moqups alignment tools allow users to perform numerous activities. In addition, its template kits let users combine items from the built-in library, including icons, fonts, shapes, and widgets, to create unique designs. Diagrams, in any form, are essential to a project's success. Throughout the development and implementation phase, they provide a reference, direction, and documentation. A flexible diagram template can help your team stay on track throughout the project. Flowcharts are widely used to represent ideas, plans, hierarchies, and systems. They help all professional teams understand and communicate their work by breaking down enormous ideas into smaller steps or components. Moqups flowcharts can be used for idea generation to data management, business process modeling, structural analysis, and process engineering. These flowchart templates let teams quickly identify best practices for each use case and adapt them to their own needs. Using a large assortment of flowchart stencils is simple. Using the Smart Connectors feature, you can keep your data up to date since it connects quickly and stays connected. Besides, adding diagram extenders to a flow is as easy as typing. While customizing data flow diagrams, process maps, org charts, and network designs, your team can easily modify symbols and connector styles. If you like what you hear about Moqups, check out a link to buy their services in the description below. Consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel, and you will be notified of other great videos about software like this one. Now, let's continue with Moqups. You can use a mind map template to begin your project and organize your thoughts. In addition, you can speed up your workflow by exploring Moqups' entire collection of online templates and customizing them to suit your needs. At the core of the mind map is a central concept from which you can branch out in radial tree structures. It's possible to use online mind map templates to assist your team in visualizing and understanding the scope and complexity of any significant idea or undertaking. As a bonus, the radial organization of thoughts in a mind map disturbs rigid prioritizing, making them ideal for brainstorming sessions. Freeform shape invites teams to employ their collective brains and consider all aspects of a single concept. A mind map template also stimulates team participation and cooperation because team members may locate locations for their own thoughts and easily recognize similar contributions. Teams will be able to see how their ideas are connected and how they may simplify their planning as a result. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to get started on a project's sitemap, you can visualize website and application structures using Sitemap Templates. Using a sitemap, you can see how an app or website's pages are linked together and get a clear picture of its content. With the help of Sitemap Templates, you can organize massive websites more quickly, saving time and money. Additionally, to help search engines better understand a website structure and the relationships between its various components, sitemaps provide a visual representation of its architecture. Many professionals in your company use sitemaps as a reference point for planning, collaboration, and discussion. They can also be used as a public navigation tool to help your team uncover structural concerns, such as overlap, duplication, dead ends, and redundant levels of information. A sitemap template like the e-commerce sitemap is an excellent place to start. Process flowchart templates can be used to depict any business process. Reviewing each phase in the process can speed up new development, increase efficiency, and prevent costly mistakes. Process maps, or flowcharts, are diagrams that represent a complex process's steps in order. Your teams can sketch out each system stage, assign roles and responsibilities, and specify who does what. Mockups ready-to-use process flowchart templates allow teams to present any business process quickly. In addition, process flowcharts help companies understand how various parts of their systems work together. Having transparent process mapping empowers employees to improve efficiency and performance, achieve quotas, and increase firm profitability. Besides, developing business strategies can benefit every company, regardless of size or industry. The Employee Onboarding Process Map template can help HR streamline the hiring process. Or, the legal team can prepare for client disagreements with the Client Dispute Process Map template. If you like what you heard about mockups, check out the link in the description below. Also, if you like this software video, feel free to check our playlist specific to our recommended industry-leading software providers and subscribe to our social media channels. We are sure you will find what you are looking for. Thanks for watching. See you next time.